Hey guys, Terrence here for Orzly and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the screen and case pack for the iPhone XS Max. This is our 360 protection solution for your new iPhone. Each pack comes with a pair of screen protectors and a Flexi Case. Let's take a look at the screen protector. This year we've gone with a universally case-friendly version. So that means no matter what case you want to use, we know that our screen protector will work with it. The screen protector won't interfere with the touch sensitivity of your screen, as you can see here with the new 3D Touch Live wallpapers. We've designed our screen protector to be universally case compatible. Now, we'd love for you to use Orzly cases, but we know that there's tons of choice out there and we hate for you to compromise on your screen protection because of it. We've made our screen protector as thin as possible without compromising on its strength and durability. Also, we bevel the edges slightly to give you a smoother transition from your phone onto the screen. So each pack comes with alcohol swabs, applicator card, microfiber cloth, dust stickers, and of course, your screen protectors. Let's get to the application. As always, for the best results, make sure you're working in a well-lit, dust-free environment and your hands are clean. Now, grab the alcohol swab, microfiber cloth and clean the screen. If you get any dust on your screen after cleaning it, just use the dust stickers to lift it off. Now grab your screen protector and peel it off the packaging, making sure not to touch the adhesive side. Line up the edges with the notch cut out, and when you're happy with the placement, drop the screen into place. You should see it start to self-seal. If not, just press down on the middle and watch the air escape. If you clean the screen thoroughly enough, there should be no air pockets. However, if there are, it's not the end of the world. Grab your microfiber cloth and just tease the air bubbles out to the edge. Some stubborn air bubbles will work themselves out over time. Once all the bubbles are gone, use the microfiber cloth around the edges to seal the screen protector and give it a final wipe down. This year, we're also including a free Flexi Case with every screen protector. That's because we want you to have that full 360 protection from day one. So let's take a look at our Flexi Case. It's lightweight with a slim profile. The TPU material is malleable and the case slides on and off with ease. The finish is smooth and gives you an improved grip on your phone. Beveled edges on the front and the raised lip on the back make sure that your camera and screen are protected when you lay the phone down. Cutouts are precise and give you full access to your phone. The buttons are tactile and offer really good feedback. This is an understated case that gives you a great feel without being in your face. Subtle design choices like the two-tone pattern on the colored cases and the microdot array on the clear help improve the functionality of your case and enhance the design, letting you stand out from the rest. So there you have it, 360 protection out the box from the Orzly screen and case pack for the iPhone XS Max. Also available for the iPhone XS and the XR. Links will be down below. We've got a lot more videos coming, so hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. and follow us on social media if you want the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.